Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok sound. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok sound, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to the window of TikTok. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that, we click clear cache. You will find here clear data. Don't click on it because that can make errors or problems on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You will wait 2 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.